Hello, my correct people. Na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening, depending where una dey watch me from. Na me una sister wey bring this news come for una today for News Carrier TV desk. I wan talk about Zazoo Zeh wey be say dem just interview recently for one show like that. So e talk say e get two different sons for two different mothers, and e also talk say as e never be star, how many girls say dey reject am. And e also talk for the interview say even as e glory come dey shine na as star na, many girls na dem come begin dey tell am say I love you, I love you, I love you. So na the story now say make I bring come this desk today for News Carrier TV. Make we talk about am, make we analyze am, make we discuss am together. So on the interview, Zazoo wey dem dey call Portable, e come say e suffer well and the suffer wey e suffer no artist for Nigeria don suffer am, and if dem even manage suffer am, dem no go even see mouth take talk am. So e own suffer no be here o, the thing strong well for his side. The thing e strong, no be say. So e come talk say even the two children wey e get na two different mothers, two different women na born the two boys for. So now the interviewer come ask am say wetin, why you go marry dem or how you wan do. He come tell them say make forget that side o, say that one na past life. So he get new girlfriend now, and the new girlfriend wey he get right now, he go na he wan marry. So if the girl misbehave at the long run, he go for another girl, because as he don be star now, wey be say pepper don ripe, wey be say everywhere don stew for his side, he go ever see anyone marry. And most of those girls now, because he na star now, all of them dey rush follow am. Zazoo, we love you. Portable, we love you, we love you, we love you. Now all of them dey shout follow am now. So for there now, he come talk about another thing say wey be say e no be anything for street, nobody recognize am. Those girls dem no even dey look him face, nobody even dey tell am say Zazoo, I love you. E short. God na God make him glory just come up this time, wey be say e just come blow. And right now many girls come begin come dey love am from every corner, but anyhow wey e be, e go marry. So now I say make I bring this matter come this table this evening, make all of us discuss am, make we chook mouth put for inside, make we analyze am the way e be. So anything wey una think about this video, my wonderful people, make una no fail to drop the comment for the comment section, because na there we go dey interact, we go dey discuss about this Portable wey dem dey call Zazoo Zeh. So make una sit down, make una stay tuned as I put the video, make we watch am together. Una do well o.
Kala wọn jó pa ìka kan tó ṣe ní ká ṣe wọn ní ká ṣàyàlù yípa.
Are you in a relationship? Do you have a girlfriend?
I have many girlfriends because this music have many girlfriends. Because just they come, I love you, I love you, I love you. They use God beg you, so I don't tire. I say, God, if you get growing, I told I will follow you, follow. Everywhere you go, then go to follow.
You don't do like that before you blow, Abi?
Yes, now before I blow. Since when I born my father, I go follow. I love you, I love you. Why now? Why everybody go love you? Well, woman, no be so now. So then them they break each other heart. Don't mean they break their heart.
You get children?
I get yes, 2 sons now.
Oh yeah? Wow. So
2 boys. Strong. Mafia. 2 boys.
Yeah. What about their mom?
Same mother or different mother?
No, not Totoloro.
Different mother.
But you still dey in touch with them?
But there is a girl I want to marry now.
Yeah.
Then I love the girl. But now she don't dey fuck up.
Oh yeah? Láàrin ọjọ́ mélòó?
And because glory don't come. Sure. Then I call a promo. All those girls, I love you too. Say that time I dey suffer, I don't know, say you love me. So now that girl now she don't dey fuck up. Now if she fuck up, no be only she go first fuck up. Even my basha, all those they fuck up. So make God help us.
How you fit describe the suffer where you go through?
I suffer.
How?
I suffer. All those sufferness why I face. Any artist wey face am make it come.
The sufferness.
I suffer because of music. Thank God though. So I don't reach where I dey go.
You never reach. You just yourself.
Okay, I don't be sir. Person wey get God. You go get the belief. I don't. Oti sell. Go say go ya no myself. Oti sell. Everywhere you go, empty and glow. Tell dawere mo. Oga who know.
But to ba sọ pé o suffer.
Mo suffer.
O suffer ni level.
Allow me mo suffer.
3 square meal.
I get money, I see you suffer.
But you dey chop.
I dey chop every day. Bizarre all time.
Okay, so no be say e bad like that.
Oga e bad though. Corona time. Corona time we face sakpa. No show no anything. Wetin we go shop? I do music for a living.
So na the end of the video na be this one, my wonderful people. Una do well o. God go bless una. I see you for my next upload. Bye.